Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of The Queen Mother and the Queen, chapter 44. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Shishaning. She looks really confident on herself. She looks really gorgeous on that mask. That sophisticated looks. Of course, right now, Jiangshu. She was looking at her. The two queens, they really look beautiful. Also, the accessories and everything, they look really cool. Suddenly, Queen Shishaning, holding hands of Jiangshu, said to her, "Let's go to the fireworks show." Right now, Queen Shishaning seems to be in the good mood. That's why she's tolerating this. Also, right now, there's someone looking at them. Well, will they be followed? It was really tricky, right? There's a lot of people on the festival. The two of them still walking on the street. Suddenly, Queen Jiangshu, she looks really puzzled. Queen Shishaning right now toss a coin and Queen Jiangshu, at this moment, it turns out she really want to eat candied hawthorn. Looking at Queen Shishaning, she's patting her head. Maybe she's trying to calm her down. Although Queen Jiangshu, she was keep herself silent. Queen Shishaning said to her, "You, don't you like it?" But looking at her face, it seems that she don't want to speak about it. Queen Shishaning said to her, "Just said it if you don't like it, and don't take what I gave you as a mission." Well, Queen Shishaning, seems to be great, right? Mother, I want to eat candied hosts too. So big sister have candied hosts. Well, it turns out a little kid wants to eat that candied hawthorn, but it seems that her mother is not giving her more attention. Although Queen Shishaning suddenly gave her a candied hawthorn, little kid said, "She's a fairy sister." Well, definitely the kid was right. So right now, Queen Jiangshu and the Queen Mother, they're walking on the street. There's a lot of lights and lantern. It seems that they're really enjoying it. Looking at Shishaning, she was there and Queen Jiangshu, it seems that she is really hungry. Looking at her face, it seems like she was really drooling about it. But right now, it seems that you want to eat. And Shishaning, she was teasing her so much. "I didn't. Forget it. How did my sisters know?" Well, probably. The news really spread quickly. Transitioning because you were just like the kitten that Kieran raised before. Oh, right now, that kid seems to be enjoying. Well, it was really simple things like that. Transitioning, as long as you smell a little fishy smell, keep looking for your mouth. Now she's been warned by Queen Shishaning. Well, Queen Jiangshu said to her, "What? Probably. She really can't believe about what's happening. Especially, Queen Shishaning was there for her. So, how can it be so exaggerated?" "What are you going to do, sir?" "Let's come to the ball of large wontons." Yes, a ball of large wontons. Turns out the two of them still hungry, and eating this will suffice her hunger. Look at them, it seems that they're really going have a date outside. But the two of them are really looking serious. Also about the wonton. She really like it, but right now, she don't want to abandon herself. Shishaning, she was looking at the door. Also, there's no one coming for her. She must be willing to wait for this. "Jiangshu, I didn't expect my sister to like this kind of civilian stall. I didn't expect my sister to like this kind of civilian stall," Jiangshu said to her. But right now, today, in Jiangshu, she was still in Foss. It's like she was really thinking deep heart. Today, she Tassim seems to be the same as usual. There's no windrow on the body and there's no majesty in the eyes. Not only did she take her life without worry, she also took care of me in every possible way. In Jiangshu said to herself, "They're like a couple. No, how could I have such an idea?" So right now she's blaming herself. Well, she was really cute. On the other hand, looking at Queen Jiangshu, since she was thinking something, right now, she really observed closeness. Her face is flashing and there's a lot of things need to be taken care of. Finally, like a fox smelling a rabbit, the fox is qualified to play with the rabbit, their own will, but the rabbit is like sinking in it. Well, probably. Queen Jiangshu said to herself that she will die and we are unequal after all. So it makes sense. Now she think about it, and we are all unequal after all. Well, she has some good points on this, right? Have you ever followed a butterfly and dirty your skirt? Oh, Shishaning. She was really trying hard to making herself look funny. Also, Queen Shishaning continued to provoke her. Queen Jiangshu at this time said to her, "What? How did you ask this suddenly?" Well, of course. What? Why did you ask this suddenly? Children, should I play there or should be? Right now, the Queen Mother said, "Is it?" Well, they look really cute, especially seems to be busy. Since I learned to walk, the mommy in the palace has always come to teach me etiquettes. Other girls jump and play. In Shishaning, she must be the novel person. And other girls jump and play. The maid is talking to her. Right now, she looks really serious. I can already walk like the newly minted royal princess. Paper it was filled with all kinds of etiquettes. Also discipline. There's calligraphy and painting. Right now, Queen Shishaning want to tell her story. Now, once upon a time, looking at her, she was still sad, but she looks pretty serious. I really want to eat candied host once. It turned out to be. So this is it. He came back from scratch. I really want to eat candied host too. Well, right now, it seems that everyone almost said to herself when she gave me a candied host. Right now, she's gritting her teeth. Well, what's wrong with her? Why suddenly she is acting strange in front of everyone? Right now, she was calling Jiangshu. Jiangshu, she moved closer to her. Well, it's a little bit funny. Shining, she moved closer to her. Also, the story is getting better. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.